shards of glass, jagged, sharp, bleeding silver ink.